Hello everyone. Now we'll start with exercise 21A. Before to go for exercise 21A, you should be aware with all the formulas and expressions, mathematical expressions for cube and cuboid. Now I'll be just explaining you the question also. We are not going to read the questions. It will be very difficult for me, isn't it? So in your question, exercise 21A, the question 1 is given that the ratio of length is to breadth to height is 5:4:2. And the total surface area is given 1216 centimeters square. Now the question is find out the dimensions, matlab find out the length, breadth and height of the cuboid. It's very simple. What is given to me? Total surface area of the cuboid. So I'll go for the total surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 in bracket LB plus BH plus LH. Total surface area is 1216. I have written that 2 as it is. Now since the ratio is given, so I'll take the common multiple. So length is how much? 5x. Breadth is how much? 4x. And height will be what? 2x. I have to just put the values over here. Now be careful here. 5 4s are 20, so it will be 20x square. 4 to the 8x square. 5 to the 10x square. After calculating, I got the value of x. You can just go through that quickly. So here x I will be getting how much? 4. Now x I got. So length was how much? 5x. Length was how much? 5x, isn't it? So it will be 5 into x, that is 5 into 4, 20. X की value 4 आई है ना, 20 centimeter. Breadth is 4x, so 16 centimeter, and h is 2x, that is 2 into 4, that is 8 centimeter. How much centimeter? 8 centimeter. I hope so you understood first question. I'll go for fourth question of it. I'm going for some selected questions. In question number 4, what they have given us, that what matters now. They have given us the total number of person in the hall are 75, and the air required for one person is 16 meter cube. The total number of persons कितने हैं उस हॉल में? 75. And the air, the volume of air required for one person is 16 meter cube. And the dimensions of the hall are given. Length 25 meter, breadth 9.6 meter. So they are asking you height of that hall. Now the total volume of the hall will be equal to the total volume of air inside it. That we need to understand. Now number of persons will be equal to what? Volume of hall, that is volume of air, divided by volume of for one person. Volume of air required for one person. Number of person कितने थे? 75. I hope so you know how to calculate number of persons. Total volume upon volume for one. So volume of hall will be how much? L into B into H. So volume of one person कितना लग रहा था? 16 मीटर क्यूब. देखो आप 16 मीटर क्यूब लग रहा था. Now put the values, proper values put करने के बाद H की जो value आती है वो आती है 5 मीटर. What is the value of height? That hall height is 5 मीटर. I hope so बच्चों आपको ये समझा. I'll go for question number 7th of it. Now this question number 7. They have given us the 3 cubes. See, I am explaining you the question first. Then we are heading for what? Answer. The question says we have 3 cubes of same dimension. That is same. But you keep them adjacent. मतलब you keep them very close to each other. So don't you think you will get the cuboid? Yes, it will form the cuboid. Consider करो कि each side is of length x centimeter. So for cuboid length कितनी हो जाएगी? ये cuboid बन गया ना बच्चों. This is cuboid now, isn't it? तो ये x और ये x. तो total length कितनी हो गई? Length will be 3x. Breadth will be how much? Breadth x, isn't it? And height will be how much? Again x. So आपको पूछा गया है ratio. The question is what? Ratio. Ratio of what? Total surface area of cuboid to the sum of total surface area of 3 cubes. Again I'm repeating. आपको क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है कि आपको 3 क्यूब दिए गए, आपने उनको एडजेसेंटली रखा, ठीक है. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द रेशियो ऑफ टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ऑब्टेन क्यूबॉइड. जो क्यूबॉइड फॉर्म हुआ उसका टोटल सरफेस एरिया टू द सम ऑफ टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ 3 क्यूब. द सम ऑफ टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ 3 क्यूब्स. व्हाट इज टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूबॉइड? 2 इन ब्रैकेट LB प्लस BH प्लस LH अपॉन टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ 3 क्यूब्स क्या आएगा? 3 into 6a square. But I got the value. L is how much? 3x. B will be x. After putting B is what? X. H is what? X. ठीक है. This is h बच्चों. This is height. ठीक है ना. L is again 3x. Height is what? X. यहाँ पे तो कोई इशू ही नहीं. 3 क्यूब से 3 into 6a square. लेकिन a क्या है यहाँ पे? X है. So it becomes 18x square. Now after calculating this properly, my answer is 7/9. बच्चों, you have to write 7:9 because question is what? Ratio. And if you write the answer 7/9, then it will be wrong answer because fraction is not they are asking. They are asking with the ratio. इसका 1 mark होता है, answer mark we call it. So be careful about this. I hope so you understood this question. Now I'll go for question number 10. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 में आपको क्या दिया गया है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 में यू आर प्रोवाइडेड विद द स्क्वायर प्लेट. एक प्लेट है, isn't it? स्क्वायर प्लेट है, लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ और उसको कुछ थिकनेस भी है. सो इट विल ऑक्यूपाई सम स्पेस, दैट इज वॉल्यूम इट हैज. तो स्क्वायर प्लेट विल कंसिडर x सेंटीमीटर ईच साइड. हम उसकी हर साइड को कितना कंसिडर कर रहे हैं, x सेंटीमीटर. सो उसकी लेंथ कितनी रहेगी, x. ब्रेड कितनी रहेगी, x. हाइट दे हैव गिवन दैट इज 8 mm. नाउ दिस 8 mm आई नीड टू कन्वर्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ व्हाट, सेंटीमीटर. सो इट विल बी 8/10, दैट इज 0.8 centimeter. So volume is given in that question 2880 centimeter cube. So we know the volume of cuboid now. It's nothing but cuboid. Don't get confused. आपको लग रहा है square plate है लेकिन उसको height है, isn't it? So I'll put the proper values. After calculating my answer x is what, 60. यहाँ पे actually x square आया है 3600. But when you take the square root of this 36 का square root क्या आएगा, 6 आएगा, और 00 will be taken at once because you are taking what, square root. तो what is side of square, 60 centimeter. I hope so बच्चों आपको ये भी question clear हुआ. Now I'll go for next question in next video. Thank you.